In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to let Xero draft your bills effortlessly. This is a fantastic time-saving hack for anyone looking to streamline their financial processes. Let's dive right in and get started. First, we need to navigate to the right section of Xero. When you log in, direct your attention to the top bar of the interface. This is where many of the key functions of Xero are housed. From this menu, you'll want to look for and click on the option that says Purchases. This will route you to a place where you can manage any transactions related to expenses and acquisitions. Once you're in the Purchases section, the next step is to select Bills. This selection will present you with a comprehensive list of all your current bills managed within the system. It's a good habit to periodically review this list to ensure you've got a handle on what's due and upcoming, helping you to maintain your financial flow seamlessly. Now, let's focus on creating a new draft for your bills. Direct your gaze to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find an option titled New Bill. It's typically framed in a button that's easy to spot. Clicking this button will guide you further into drafting a new bill. In this next step, you're presented with an opportunity to simplify your process through email automation. You will see an option to copy your forward email address. Go ahead and click on this feature. When you do so, an email address will be automatically copied to your clipboard. This address is a special forwarding email generated by Xero, designed specifically for your account. The magic here is in the automation. By forwarding your bills, those that you receive via email, to this specific address, Xero will automatically create drafts of those bills and link them to your records. It's like having a virtual assistant to manage your incoming bills, saving you from the repetitive task of manually entering data. Just ensure that the emails you forward contain the bills in a format that Xero can process. That's it, and that's all there is to it. You've now successfully configured Xero to draft your bills automatically, streamlining your workflow and allowing you more time to focus on other important tasks. Thanks for watching, and remember, with Xero, managing your finances can be easier and more efficient. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more X hacks to optimize your financial management.